Good morning, my beautiful students. Good afternoon, good night. Depends on what part of the world you are and what time you are looking at this, our virtual schooling from Harmony Hills, day 3. Grade 5 students, we've been on the topic of shopping, and we have come to the end of that topic, sadly. As you know, when we have come to the end of a topic, we do a revision page and we call it wrap up. Do you remember wrap up? It means we have completed everything. So, two of these exercises were on your previous worksheets and you probably have not kept those exercise books. But I still would like you to attempt these exercises based on the knowledge that you have previously learned in this class. Now, the first exercise tests your knowledge of adjectives. I know the instruction says what it says, but this is what I am instructing you to do. You are going to write for me 3 adjectives that you can think of and their opposites. So, in addition to this one, you have small, big. You're going to write me 3 more adjectives, any adjectives you can think of. As you remember, adjectives are describing words. So you'll write for me 3 adjectives and their opposites. We'll move on to lesson B as soon as you have completed that. Now, lesson B, as you remember, we learned about how you speak and how you complete a conversation. Now, this exercise is a bargaining exercise. Do you remember we were doing bargaining? Bargaining means to try to talk to someone to get the price of something lower, to get the best price for something. And we remember that we said many of us, we bargain when we go to the supermarket. So look at this conversation between A and B. These people are bargaining for a television, a TV. So I would like you to put in the spaces the correct word that you think they will say in this conversation. For example, person A says, "How much is this TV?" The seller, person B, says, $50. Person A replies, "Will you space $30? If you remember what word we used when we were practicing there, we would say take. Will you take $30? Now try your best and work hard to complete this conversation with the right words in the spaces. After completing lesson B, we will go to lesson C. Make a list of adjectives to describe clothing. If you remember, we learned words like bright, comfortable, stylish. Now, I don't want you to use those words I just gave you. Think of others. Use that intelligent brain of yours. And finally, we will go to lesson D. What are 2 things both you and your partner buy at a market? You will just write a sentence about, using this example, 2 things that you buy at a market. Use the space here. Don't worry. Just try to keep it neat. And that will conclude our day 3. One message to our lovely parents: keep focusing on your students. Keep focusing on your students and keep encouraging them with this new way of schooling. It may be difficult, but try to find ways to make it interesting for them. And always remembering this perilous time to use the precautions and guidelines. Wash your hands, keep social distancing to have a safe and healthy one day to our lovely program at Harmony Hills. Thank you.